We're entering a new era, the post-pandemic era. Some call it the next normal, a time of greater awareness of the importance of cleanliness and disinfection, not only at home but in offices and public places. Germs get around quickly. Studies have shown that a home or office building can be contaminated top to bottom in just a few hours. People touch common objects, they sneeze and they cough, they spread pathogens. Stopping the spread of infection requires that we thoroughly clean high-touch areas often with an antibacterial cleaner and one that is registered with the EPA. You can tell if it's registered by checking the label. At Merry Maids and ServiceMaster Clean, we know a lot about enhanced disinfecting because we do it every day. We provide high-tech cleaning materials, PPE, and advanced training for our staff. In the next normal, you have to do more than just clean. You have to disinfect to create a clean and healthy environment.